They're done. Twerking Santa. Check him out. Nope, gotta get those booty supports off. Look at that booty support. This turned out really nice. Nope. Come on out of there. There we go. There we go. Look at that booty. I love it. It's so great. Gotta clean up some of that fuzzies on his butt. Fuzz free. Look at that. Look at that big booty. That's right. There they are. I do like to share where I get the files, but this file was sent to me through Discord, and I'm not sure where they got the file. So, Merry Christmas and Happy Twerking Santa.